But we're ready to take some calls. I like the invisible tellus machine that we got already.
Right.
So.
And we are live on at www.forimmigration.com. You can check us out live and see what Squeeze's power suit looks like today.
Yeah. But seriously, folks, it is the first day of the week for Mr. Bernstein. Yes. Yesterday was the holiest day of the year for him.
Correct.
And today is actually in office. So all people who did not get to see him yesterday, yes, you can make an appointment on my name today and get to see him definitely today. I've got that power at, of course, the appointment-making department. All right?
You do.
Yes. 1-800-LAW-LINK. 1-800-529-5465. How could you say no to a guy in a suit like this?
Can't.
Come on, you can't do that.
Can't.
Let's take the first immigration question here. Hello. How you doing today?
Hi, I'm okay. My question for Brad is,
Yes.
my husband, he filed for me and my daughter. I just got my green card, and my daughter is 14. She's not here. Our I-130 was approved. I wonder how long does she have to wait before she gets
Where's she,
here?
in Jamaica?
Yes.
Did you get the notice from the National Visa Center?
No, I only got the I-130.
Yeah, you should get a
approved.
notice from the National Visa Center about 4 weeks after the I-130 is approved. And if you do everything right and you do everything in a reasonable period of time, it should be about 4 or 5 months.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
great. And Shelley, I'm just going to ask you to close the door so we don't hear all the people
Right.
in the back there.
Once again, folks, we are live on Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. The new number is 1-888-31-RADIO. That's 888-317-2346. My lines just fell out, so give me a call back. For those of you who fell off, the number is 888-317-2346. Do remember to call Spar and Bernstein, however, directly at 1-800-LAW-LINK. Hello, caller. How are you?
Good, and you?
Wonderful.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I got a question. We found this gentleman, and we really like him to work in our organization. He's here on a student visa. He has a legal Social Security number and a valid driver's license in the state of New York. And still, I'm told I can't hire him.
That is correct, because he's here right now. He's here on a student visa, which means that his visa only allows him to study. Now,
Okay.
when you're here on it now, did he graduate? What is the position going to be? Tell me a little bit more about your organization. And I'll
We
tell you
do
what we can do.
computer work, and he's a computer engineer.
He's a computer. Did he graduate from this school?
Well, he had graduated from Columbia, the country that he's from, but he's still pursuing the college here.
Okay, so he has a bachelor's degree from Columbia.
Yeah.
And that,
Yeah.
is that in computer engineering, in some sort of computer engineering field?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, if he wants to stop school and he wants to come and work in your organization, he can apply for an H-1B visa as a professional worker. There's still H-1B visas available. What you need to show is that he has a college degree. He's going to be working in a college degree job, and that his degree that he studied, his classes that he took relate somehow to the
Because he's in status
to
now,
the
so
position.
he can do
right.
it. Right.
There are, luckily right now, because we're in a recession, there are H-1Bs available. So you can change the status to a professional working visa. If you pay the expedite fee, it could take all of 14 days.
Right.
So it can easily be done, assuming he has that college degree and he wants to no longer go to school and he wants to work for you full time.
Right.
Alternatively, if he still wants to go after that education, he can apply to his school for a 6-month or 12-month work permit to train during his school year. Usually, though, you do that after you graduate, and that way it gives you an entry into a job and then allows that job to sponsor you for the work visa. But you can do it while you're in school, too, but then you lose that opportunity after. That would be the other choice. His third choice to get a work permit, which people don't know as much about, is if you've been in school for more than a year and now your financial situation has changed. For example, Aunt Sally, who is an American citizen, promised to pay for your tuition, and now Aunt Sally got ripped off by Bernie Madoff and has no more money. Okay, then you can now apply to the government for a hardship for work permit that Aunt Sally is no longer paying my tuition, or maybe Aunt Sally lost her money in the stock market, or maybe Aunt Sally lost her job, or whatever the case may be, is that person who was giving you that financial support is no longer able to do so.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So if you do need help, though, remember, Spar and Bernstein is the best for that.
Why don't you give him a number?
The number is 1-800 Law Link. That's 1-800-529-5465. All right?
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you so much for calling in. All right?
Bye.
And something that I must remind the businesses out there. If you're out there and you want to hire someone, yes, call Spar and Bernstein.